What's up, guys? Today we are up in Holly, Michigan with, look, giant purple Gladiator. James is here, Stradman. He's got his Gladiator out in Michigan, getting some work done to it. I won't say anything too much about it unless he mentions it later. It's going to become a lot more powerful. But we brought the RS7. We are going to go off-roading. I have never gone off-roading before, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Obviously not taking that. Hopefully James decides to take this thing out. Oh my God. It's gigantic, lifted, huge tires, very purple. I think it's awesome. Watching it roll down Woodward a couple days ago was pretty cool. Got a lot of attention. What? America's Most Wanted. Look at these motors. If you want power in your Jeep, looks like I gotta come here. This apparently is from South Africa. It's right-hand drive, so that's pretty cool. James, you excited to have high horsepower in your, yeah?
I'm a little bit nervous, actually.
Really?
It's like, high horsepower is one thing, but this is like extremely stupid horsepower.
It's extremely stupid horsepower, really high center of gravity too.
Yeah, that's also another great point. That 40-inch tires.
Yeah, so don't take corners fast. Look at this thing.
Yeah, that's definitely not stock.
You don't have 10 bits out there? Oh my God, is this your first time having a 10 bit?
Oh, what?
Is apparently.
Did we get 10 bits when we were in Dubai?
What?
They have Tim Hortons in Dubai.
Oh, really? They do? Uh-huh. Is everything gold plated? Gold foil donuts.
They serve it on a platter.
Yes. The giant purple monster and the loud angry Jeep. This thing looks small compared to yours.
But it sounds really, really
good. It sounds good.
It has a lot more power.
Yeah. So that's a Hemi swap. Here's just a Mopar built. It's very dirty, as you can tell. Matt wasn't enjoying it greatly. That sounds so.
All right, 6.4 Hemi versus RS7. Ready?
So that was quite interesting. James and Clayton just raced the Hemi one and the stock Gladiator. Looked like Clayton was struggling with some traction issues, but eventually, I mean, this definitely sounds better and is faster. Eventually, that thing with 1,000 horsepower is gonna be way faster than everything, and probably including my RS7. We should RS7 versus Hellephant swap Gladiator race. We have to do that.
Okay, being embarrassed. I'm just kidding. No, because
I'm gonna wait for you to tip over.
Too soon, Eddie. Are you kidding me? Well, I have 40s though, so like the efficiency, like I'm gonna lose so much power just
I'm
there.
just hearing excuses. You have double the horsepower.
You only have 500 in that? Is that
It's making me feel bad about my horsepower. Behind the scenes of Stradman, as he checks out the 6.4 Hemi Wrangler.
It's not a cold start, and for that I'm very, very, very sorry, but it's a 6.4 Hemi Wrangler, so I think you guys are gonna be just fine. Listen to this. Go, go, turtle!
Oh God. Is that a snapper?
He doesn't look happy.
Oh, he's not happy.
No. Whoa. Oh, we got traffic.
Come on, buddy.
Doesn't want to move.
Come on. Come on, buddy.
Can you snap this? He's pretty heavy.
Hey, no!
Not like that. Okay, dude, go.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah. There he goes. Come on. Come on. Cross the road, bud.
Boy.
Yeah.
Going as fast as James.
Full send. Full send. Yeah, we could race the turtle in the Jeep.
Yeah.
Expect you saved a turtle.
The vehicle contained food vlog.
All right, enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, they just hooked the food on the. Whoa.
Yeah, dude.
I've never seen that before. No.
That's 90s technology.
That
right
is
there.
brilliant.
Hey, pay me my burger, please.
Chill. Oh yeah. He's like, excuse me.
He wants an entire burger now. There we go. That's 6.4 liter Hemi. Almost 500 horsepower. Makes a lot of really nice noises. Apparently this Gladiator is getting a Demon engine swapped into it, so that's pretty awesome. Oh my god, James's with a Hellephant is gonna be straight absurd. Some Hemi Wrangler four-wheel burnouts and donuts are about to occur. Yes. Are you gonna do them? You gonna do some
There's no return.
Don't hit my car.
There's no return on the steering wheel.
Oh jeez. Holy crap. Alright, I like riding with this guy.
You got your seatbelts on?
Yes. That was intense.
No, you had no front power.
Look at this thing.
This was the very first one.
Oh my god. What did that look like from outside? Was it epic?
Sweet.
Yes.
Yeah, that first one.
Holy crap. Apparently we just went up in two-wheel drive. There was no power to the front wheels, so just power up. Starting to rain again. That was insane. Holy crap.
See, isn't that great?
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. And we did that with the bag of golf clubs in the back. Wranglers are pretty impressive. Because I'm willing to bet nobody with a Range Rover or G-Wagon is doing this. So they've got all these trails cut out back here too?
Yeah, so yeah, this is what we call a hare scramble trail.
Okay.
So this trail right here is about 2.5 miles long.
Oh, okay. Were they planned out or just kind of just go with the lay of the land?
It's kind of a both.
Both?
You got to decide based on the topography of the land.
Gotcha.
How you want to design it.
Well, there's a highway right there.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I-75.
Yep. All right. That is what we call the sticks, apparently, and that looks intense. Can this do that?
We need a little more suspension.
Oh, okay, yeah, so this could not do that. That looks crazy. Got the Hemi Wranglers following us. Just sky. This is gonna be real fun to clean off, Matt. Holy crap.
About $30 to quarter car wash.
Yep.
We'll be ready to roll.
A lot of quarters. But wow, that was so much fun. First serious experience off-roading. Thanks, Matt. Thanks to, yes, that was awesome. The Hemi Jeeps are freaking awesome. America's Most Wanted is awesome. That was fun. Setting up a little photo shoot with the Gladiator and the Hellcat motor. James is extremely excited, as he should be, about this thing getting the 1,000 horsepower Hellephant motor. That's gonna be absolutely insane. All right, guys, we are done with all the off-roading. We've watched some of the Jeeps come apart in America's Most Wanted. James and Clayton and Faith are heading back home to Utah early tomorrow morning. I gotta go back. Some stuff for the RS7 is happening very soon. Next time we see this gigantic purple Gladiator and James, it will be 1,000 horsepower. Hey, it's okay to say it's 1,000 horsepower. Yeah, you said it 8 times in your video. 1,000 horsepower. It'll be 1,000 horsepower. Thanks for coming, James. Sure, nice seeing you.
Eddie.
Thanks for the fun. Clayton.
Yeah.
Faith.
Thanks for the
Nice to
shirt.
meet you.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. definitely. I mean, you guys probably already know who James is, Stradman. What's your channel called?
Summit Life.
Summit Life. Summit Auto Lab, right? That's on Instagram.
Summit Auto Lab's my
yes,
business.
they
Summit
wrap
Life.
stuff and make stuff really cool.
Yeah.
And James just does YouTube videos, and he's the best. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, guys.